Hi guys, I'm sitting actually in the bottom of my garden next to my shed, as you can see there. So I'm sitting in the shade. It's a bit warm today, but I wanted to shoot you this quick video because I want to show you how I'm earning every moment of the day. I'm earning Ethereum, and I'm going to share one screen with you. So here I am in my Telegram, and this is the robot that tells me, that gives me the notifications every time I earn money. Okay, so as you can see there, it says today, and if I scroll up, you'll see that that says the 22nd of June up there, and this says today. So look, I get these notifications every time I earn some money. So you see here, this first one, the payment's gone to my upline. This one's gone to my upline. I've got a new person registered. So here I've got $6 here. Don't know whether you can see that. Coming down here, $12, just there, another $12. Coming down, $24, $24. Go down a little bit further, $12, $24, $24, $49, $49, $97. Here we got $6, $6, $97. Coming down a little bit further, what we got here, we got a $24, we got a $49, down a bit further, 24, 24, down a little bit further, 97, $6, $6. So that's all today. Okay, so that adds up to $672 worth of Ethereum in almost a day, because the day's not over yet. So I wonder what it's going to be by the end of the day. I should think it'll be at least $800. So that's not bad, and that's on complete autopilot. So that's 4,700 just over in a week. How mind-blowing is that? Now, if you want to get access to this amazing system where you can earn Ethereum on a daily basis, then below this video you're going to see a link, and it's going to take you over to this page here. I've got a video there, and pop your name and your email address in there, and I'm going to show you how you too can get plugged into this system. It's absolutely mind-blowing of how much you can earn on autopilot on a daily basis. I'll see you in another video. Make sure you give me your name and your email address, and I'll show you exactly how to get set up. That's $672 worth of Ethereum, and the day's not even over. This is just a mind-blowing system, and you need to be part of it.